Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for deep learning. Today, what is the interesting thing that is very small exercise or small project that is image segmentation with a single image that is a teddy bear. So, all of you know about idea about teddy bear. So, the simple coding with the help of this one, what we can do means we can create a image that is the display by default in the BGP or RGB color, and we can convert the image into RGB. Then we can convert to under with the help of these images we can convert and do the operation and perform the operation, and at last we can get the threshold image as well as a segmented images. So as of now, image segmentation process helpful to divide the image into multiple parts, and these parts helpful to analyze and useful for get the more details. So for this one, we have to import the packages, that is NumPy and CV2. CV2 is one of the very familiar library function, and we can import the Matplotlib also. Then we are first thing you have to download the image called I kept the name as a image1.png. Download the image, then we can link in the G drive. After linking, you can connect with your coding. For this one, we are writing the coding called image equal to cv2.im read off the link I'm giving, and we are writing the function called this is helpful to read the OpenCV function used to read the file, and what are the file in the path, it will specific path, you will read it, and then we are using the function called cvt color of image comma cv2 dot color of BGP to RGB. That means generally image will be BGP color. Once you give the coding, it will the function will helpful to convert to the RGB color. Then we are using the figure size of 8,8 by default, and it helpful to use the parameter called cmap called gray, and we are using the axis function. Then title as a original image. Once you give this at last plot at so far display the image. Once you give this, the coding will read the function, read the image and display that is in the original image only as downloaded like that. Then we can convert to the gray. So you can convert for you can write this one. For this one, simply do the changes here, that is plot a axis of then we can write the title as a grayscale image. So once give this one, here we are writing the code and change gray is equal to cv2 dot cvt color of image comma followed by cv2 dot color underscore bgb r to gray. That means the default BGB, so BGR color is convert to gray. What are the image it convert to gray like this. So it's simple, and together we can and threshold image. For threshold image also we can write the function called thresh dot c dot threshold of gray comma followed by 0 comma 255 followed by cv2 dot thresh underscore binary underscore inv plus cv2 dot threshold otsu. So this is for generate the threshold image for anything. Whatever image it will create, and we're giving the threshold images like this. So for this teddy bear, we show the threshold image, and we can together write the code for display together the original image, segmented image, at grayscale image, at last segmented images. For you are writing the code called like this plt dot followed. See this coding I just now told you. Don't want again explain. So we can give plot subplot of 2 comma 2 comma 4. Then we can write plot dot imshow of fg comma cmap equal to gray and axis off and followed by segmented image. So if you execute the code in Google Colab any Python interpreter, it will imply the original image, grayscale and threshold image, at last show the segmented image. So I hope that you understand the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.